we can only do some things better than others, right? So we are good in what we do. You people are good in property. So that's why we invested in you guys.
Hi, I'm Shabnam. I work in IT as a software tester.
Hi, my name is Ajit. I also work in IT.
She's really helpful. Like if we have any questions or doubts and if she can't answer them immediately, she's able to come back to us and give us what we need to know.
Yeah, she's been great.
We came to Investmentor through a friend, so there was that faith there that it's someone we know, and it was like 90% we're sure that we're not getting into anything wrong. It looks quite positive for us, and first time you always are scared of making a mistake, so I think we have a lot more confidence in Investmentor now.
When we talked to John, he was very confident and he was very good in explaining things to us, which made us more comfortable. As you people say, right, it's the people who make a good company, and so does Investmentor has good people.
Maybe because we are also new migrants to Australia. At that time, we had been here barely a year, so it was a big leap of faith for us. So that was the only doubt, are we doing the right thing? But because we have faith in our friend, and you gotta trust someone, right? The smoothness of the whole transaction, start to end, start to finish. I'll give an example. We have friends who have in parallel also taken a house and land package. They've got their house built and everything. So the efforts they had to make to get everything done, following up with developers or anything. So there were a lot of things that, we saw our friends make efforts towards, which were fairly easy for us. We didn't really have to do so much, and Investmentor took care of so much.
Like she said, right, we can only do some things better than others, right? So we are good in what we do. You people are good in property. So that's why we invested in you guys, because we thought it would be easier for us, because so that we can concentrate on our main work, our job. That's why.
I think potentially this can go into millions, I suppose.
I would agree with that.
In terms of investment, we want to invest into more properties, and through Investmentor, because you guys have made it so easy for us. Right now we're at that stage, need to save up more. We're waiting for an opportunity where we can invest in something more soon.